Lion and Goat. A powerful lion lived in a dense forest. He was the king of the forest, and all the animals were afraid of him. When he went out hunting, every animal tried to save its life. There was also a little goat in the forest. There lived a very clever and intelligent goat. One day, the lion was very hungry. He was roaming in the forest in search of prey. When he saw that little goat, the lion was happy and started thinking in his heart, "This is my easy prey." He slowly approached the goat. As soon as the goat saw the lion approaching it, it immediately understood that it had to use its intelligence. The goat gathered courage and smilingly said to the lion, "Greetings, king of the jungle. You are thinking of eating me, but do you know that I am the goat of the forest wizard?" The lion was surprised and asked, "Which wizard?" The goat said, feigning distress. "Oh, don't you know? The forest. The wizards made me his special protector. If anyone harms me, he'll turn them to stone." The lion hesitated a little, but still took a step forward to catch the goat. The goat immediately said, If it doesn't come, then first let's go to the magician with me. He will tell himself." The lion, hearing this, fell into thought. He got ready to go to the magician with the goat. But the goat, seeing the opportunity, suddenly jumped hard, and a goat leaped into a stone shelter and quickly ran away. The lion understood